In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Canva to Chatgpt. Let's get started. Starting on the main Chatgpt dashboard, I navigate down to the bottom left corner and click on my profile account name. From the pop-up menu that appears, I select Settings. Inside the Settings modal window, I look at the left sidebar menu and click on Plugins. This opens up the Plugins Manager panel. Next, I click on the Browse Plugins button on the right to open up the Plugin Marketplace store. Here, you can see a categorized list of available integrations. I scroll down past the Featured and Productivity sections to locate the Creativity section. Right under Creativity, I locate the Canva plugin card. I click on the plus button icon directly next to Canva to begin installing the plugin. A new window opens up, asking for authorization for ChatGPT to access my Canva account details, designs, and workspace content. I scroll down to review the permissions list, and then I click the blue Allow button at the bottom of the page. Once approved, an authorization successful screen appears, confirming that the account connection was established. I am automatically redirected back to ChatGPT, where a green confirmation message pops up at the top stating that Canva is installed. Now, I close the settings window and click on New Chat at the top left to open a fresh conversation screen. In the prompt input field, I click on the plus icon to expand the tools menu. From this list, I select Canva, which adds a specialized Canva tool badge directly into my text box. With Canva enabled, I type in my prompt asking ChatGPT to create a simple logo about a coffee shop. After typing out the complete message, I hit the Send button. ChatGPT immediately begins processing the request using the connected Canva plugin. You can see it searching through Canva templates, generating different layout variations, and customizing text and visuals in real time. After a few moments, ChatGPT presents a set of custom coffee shop logo design options directly inside the chat interface. I can scroll through the generated carousel cards to preview each design option. Clicking on one of the templates opens up a larger preview window where I can inspect the design elements closely. If I want to customize a design further, I can easily open it directly inside Canva to adjust the fonts, colors, and layout elements as needed. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to connect Canva to ChatGPT.